If you guys ever get to see what's on here. Whoa, almost straight into that leg of that thing. I gotta stop doing that. It's fun to launch. What a beautiful day today, guys. I don't even know what you can see. If anything, it is bright out. Perfectly blue sky. That's my favorite days. Wow. It's a little windy. Sorry about the last video if you didn't like it because it's too dark. I understand. I was trying to play with the LEDs in the dark, but not the greatest. Cameras don't do too good in the dark. Not this camera anyways. Ooh, that anthill gets me every time. They built it like a perfect rollover ramp. They knew that this truck attacks them all the time. So. Oh, the mosquitoes are vicious over here. Jeez. You can just see all the trails from all the animals coming through here. Everything's all matted down in lines. Should build a little ladder or something to crawl over this thing. Big abandoned farm behind here to go explore. You guys like abandoned buildings? Oh! Sorry, I forgot I gotta hammer this back on. Fix it a little bit. Why won't it crawl over that? I don't see what the issue is. Oh, the tire's kind of hooked under it. Alright, go more that way. There's a stick. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, I see. That big root or stick or whatever that was hooked right in there. Who knows what I broke? You stop trying to bite me. Trying to enjoy my life here. Just stick snapping action. Stick crusher. Tree crusher. Ah, what rolled it over? It's too thick with the weeds, I guess. There's no log there or anything. Thinking this is another little spot I could cut out right in here. Make this into like a little pull-out campground, whatever, tenting spot. Should go in this area rooting around a little bit someday, because I used to set up my target for my arrows over here, and I've lost so many arrows in this little, and probably in there. That's where you want in-car camera, man. Just go driving through the bush like that. I think you would need one on each side so you could see your wheels and what they're hooking on. Because you just get hooked on everything. Like to light the fire again, but it's a little too windy for that right now. Need to burn all this shit for winter, so. Where I live, that could come any minute. Pretty much all year long. Oh. Okay, I'm sick of doing that there, and it's really just my lack of throttle input. But I've got logs over there that I've saved up for placing around these jumps, and I think I gotta put something here just to, so it doesn't nosedive right after that, because that's what it wants to do. Oh, I hate that cracking, snapping sound when the body hits the ground. So even if I put something behind that, still would have happened because it was up and over. A lipo cut off. So the days are running short. It's getting harder and harder to make videos. It's gonna get colder and colder and crappier looking. The green's gonna turn brown and the trees are gonna die. So I'm trying to make as many videos as I can now. But for next year, What I'd like is you guys to get me to the point of monetization over the period of winter, so that this channel can start paying for some of the damages we do to the truck. And more than that, it would be great to be able to travel to cool places to go run the trucks. Like, I'd love to just stay on camping. Every week go to a different campsite and go to cool places. Scenic spots. I mean, there's all kinds of things I can do. I was thinking I could do one video here in Edmonton and go around West Edmonton Mall, if that's something you guys want to see. Could do a run around the outside, show you what it's like on the outside, parkades. And thinking about maybe trying to do a run inside and see how long I can get away with it before they catch me. What are they gonna do? Escort you to the door? Big deal. Oh, why did that sound so bad once it rolled over? The stick in there just fell out or something. Oh, that sounded weird. That's pretty hard on that steering knuckle. If that didn't break it, I don't know what would. That's crazy. How's that still intact after all that abuse? Oh, it's not. It's cracked. That's what I figured. It's okay, it's still attached. I could just put some more glue. That part still hasn't arrived, but that's why I ran string in there. You see, you guys? If you're gonna do an epoxy thing like that, run some string through it. It's like fiberglass, right? Top and bottom. Then even though the pieces broke apart, the string's still holding them together. I can still drive this truck all day long. Not stopping anything. Makes the steering a little sloppy, but I just go mix up some of that JB weld again, stick it in there. You're ready to go for tomorrow. Oh, there's been too many rollovers in this video. It mostly wants to be on its lid. Freaking mosquito landed on my leg. I went to scratch it, truck rolled away. I go to hit reverse and there's nothing. So I don't like about this speed control. Sometimes there's reverse, sometimes it's brake, sometimes it doesn't do anything. Sometimes it hits 100% reverse when you're only trying to do 1%. It's a little bit finicky and weird. And I wish I could program it. But I do like the lipo cutoff thing. It still gives you lots of time to drive around and play in crawler mode. Uh-oh, now I'm in trouble. Here comes the next rollover. I was hoping it'd crawl over that friggin' root. Alright, get up there. Uh-oh, lipo cut off. Now I'm stuck. Well, that concludes today's broadcast. I have to call the tow truck.
Intercept and destroy.